how to stop your iPhone from tracking you and listening you. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and tap on the privacy and security option you see there and then tap on the microphone option. Further, go ahead and turn off anything that you don't want using your microphone. You can also go back to privacy and security and tap on the app privacy report option. This will show which apps used your mic recently. Now, go back to privacy and security and tap on the location services option. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for location services completely. Also, go back to location services and then tap on the location alerts option you see there and toggle off the toggle button for location alerts. Next, go back to settings homepage and tap on the Siri option and then tap on listen for Siri option. Further, go ahead and set it to off. Now, go back to settings and tap on privacy and security again and then tap on the analytics and improvements option there. Further, go ahead and disable the toggle button for share iPhone analytics, improve Siri and dictation, and share iCloud analytics. Toggle these button off. In privacy and security again, you will see the option for tracking. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for allow apps to request to track. Also, go back to privacy and security and tap on the Apple advertising option you see there and further toggle off the toggle button for personalized ads. Also, make sure that go back to privacy and security and you will see the option for lockdown mode. Now, this is an extreme security settings used by journalists, high-risk individuals, etc. So if you understand the limitations, you can go ahead and enable lockdown mode on your iPhone. And lastly, go back to settings homepage and tap on general and then on background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh again and disable background app refresh. So these were a few ways on how you can stop your iPhone from tracking you and listening you. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.